What is up, everybody? It is Cheesy here, back with another video, man. And today, guys, the new update in Roblox Island Royale / Roblox Fortnite is here, guys. And the new update is the Booga Booga update. I don't even know. It's like Caveman update. I don't even know, man. But anyway, guys, today I just have some gameplay footage of me losing 2 times in a row, man. First time, I don't know what happened. I just choked. I don't even know. The second time, dude, I got second place once again, just like I always do, man. I have like a streak for getting second place or something. Anyway, guys, hopefully you enjoy this gameplay, dude, of me and the new outfit of Booga Booga, dude. We got some awesome kills lined up for you, so hopefully you guys enjoy. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no.